In this video, I am explaining how to use mobile screen on your computer without any external software. Normally we are using some application for mirror casting. Here no need any kind of application from Play Store, and not also from Microsoft Store. No need to worry any kind of malware. Here I am using Windows 11 and Windows 10. It is more easy, and you can skip the first step because in 11 it is disabled. From Windows 11 click Windows icon from left corner, then click on Settings. Select Apps. Here we go to Optional Features, click on View Features. Scroll down, find out Wireless Display. Or you can type here manually, then select and download. Again click on Windows icon, then search Projection Setting. Here need some setting. The first one is, you can select, Available Everywhere. Second one, ask to project this PC, every time a connection required, or first time. The last one is, Pin Sharing. I am selecting Never. Here the second one I select it to first time, so I like to change this to every time a connection is required. This is the final step. Again go to Search, Wireless Display, click on it. Here showing that your computer is ready to connect your mobile wirelessly. Now take your mobile, click on Setting, search Screen Mirroring. Enable it, screen mirroring window showing the name of your computer, click on it. It will start the mobile screen on your computer. Now perfectly connect phone screen in your computer, but I am little disappointed because of the delay. It's okay. If you are watching some movies, or recording the mobile screen, by using computer. If you like the video, don't forget to comment your opinion, like, share, and subscribe.